Hey, this is Loch Caravan Park once again. There's a tent. Ali's case, drying her coat. Let's take a wee walk and see a little bit of Loch Ken. The water's slightly high. We had 36 hours of rain here over the last couple of days. Oh, I spy Ali. There's a lot of fish jumping around this morning. We've still not caught anything. Ali's caught a big pike, but I've still to catch. I think she's a better fisher than me. Lovely tree. I don't know. You travel miles to take a video clip of a tree. Dear me, I tell you. Oh, where are we going? There we are. There's a wee gate here. And this is the part that we are fishing. And that's the other side. There's a big estate over there. There's a lot of shooting that's been going on. The boy, there's a wee rise there. And there's my rod. And let's have a look, see what Ali's up to. There's Ali. And she's got the float out with the bait for the pike. Absolutely beautiful. Say hello, Ali. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely spectacular. Let's see if we can see her float. No, I can't even see her. I don't know if you can. No, can't you see her float? No, I meant on here. I can't even see this. Her float's there somewhere. And this is Loch Ken. Absolutely beautiful. Over there was an island. 5 anglers got stranded, but we are lucky. Absolutely gorgeous place to come. Good pike fishing. Lovely coarse fishing to be had as well. A lot of good big pike in here. And I'm going to stick this on YouTube. So everybody that's curious about Loch Ken can have a little look. Now, 36 hours of pure rain. The water is well up, well over the bridge. Don't know if you can see the bridge there. Not a very good camera. Absolutely lovely. Well, if you come to Loch Ken, wish you all the best.